For years, orbiting spacecraft have spotted something strange on the surface of Mars, patterns that look like giant spiderwebs stretching for miles. But what exactly are they, and what story do they tell about the red planet's past? Now, NASA's Curiosity rover has gone in for a closer look, and what it found is challenging everything we thought we knew about when water and possibly life existed on Mars. For the last 6 months, Curiosity has been exploring a region known as boxwork. From the ground, these features are low ridges, standing just 1 to 2 meters tall. With sandy hollows in between, scientists believe these formations are ancient scars from groundwater that flowed through cracks in the bedrock billions of years ago. Minerals in that water cemented the rocks, making them hard. Then, over eons, wind eroded the softer, non-cemented rock away, leaving behind this honeycomb-like maze. It almost feels like a highway we can drive on. But then we have to go down into the hollows, where you need to be mindful of Curiosity's wheels slipping or having trouble turning in the sand. There's always a solution. It just takes trying different paths. Curiosity is currently climbing Mount Sharp, a massive mountain whose layers are like chapters in a book about Mars' changing climate. The rover was expecting to find evidence of a world drying out. But this boxwork region tells a different story. To form these massive structures, the groundwater table must have been very high for a very long time. Seeing boxwork this far up the mountain suggests the groundwater table had to be pretty high. And that means the water needed for sustaining life could have lasted much longer than we thought looking from orbit. The rover also confirmed a key detail. Those dark lines seen in the spiderwebs from space? They are indeed fractures, where mineral-rich groundwater once seeped through. And scattered everywhere are bumpy textures, called nodules, another unmistakable sign of ancient water. But to truly understand this place, Curiosity did what it does best. It acted as a mobile laboratory. Using its powerful drill, the rover collected samples from a ridge top, from the hollows, and from the bedrock in between. The analysis revealed a surprise: clay minerals in the ridges and carbonate minerals in the hollows. These chemical clues are pieces of a puzzle scientists are still trying to solve. Just recently, the rover collected a 4th sample for a wet chemistry experiment, a special technique to search for organic compounds, the carbon-based building blocks of life. Sometime in March, Curiosity will leave the giant spiderwebs behind, continuing its lonely trek up Mount Sharp. The data collected here has opened up a new timeline for where and when water flowed on Mars. It raises the most profound question of all: if the water stuck around longer than we thought, could microscopic life have done the same? For NASA's Curiosity rover, the mission to find out is just getting started.